Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to remove registered email from Discord. So open up our Discord app. Once you open the app, you click on your profile, you click on settings, you click on accounts, and you will see your details there, including your email. Now here's the thing, unfortunately you can't actually directly move a registered email from your Discord account without replacing it with another valid email address. Discord requires an email address to be associated with your account for security and communication purposes. Think of it this way, your email address is a primary way for Discord to verify your identity and contact you about important account related matters. So to change your email address, just click on the last one. You receive a verification code, a verification link actually. So a verification message. So you click on the verification message on Gmail. Once you click on that, you would be taken to a site. And if you already have Discord app, you just take it back to Discord and it will be verified that it is you. Then now you can change your email address and you receive another verification message. You click on it again and it will verify that you have changed your email address. Now, okay, what about in the case that you don't have access to your registered email? If you can't access your current email address, the account recovery process becomes significantly more difficult actually. In this situation, you might need to contact Discord support directly and provide as much information as possible to prove your ownership of this account. However, there's no guarantee they'll be able to help you change the email address without access to the original one. But at least you tried your best.